Hello everyone. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative avenue for individuals and businesses to generate passive income online. The premise is simple: promote products or services through unique affiliate links and earn a commission for every sale or action made through those links. However, despite its potential, many affiliate marketers make critical mistakes that hinder their success and profitability. In this article, we'll explore 10 common affiliate marketing mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Choosing the wrong niche. One of the fundamental mistakes affiliate marketers make is selecting a niche solely based on perceived profitability rather than personal interest or expertise. While it's essential to target profitable niches, you'll likely struggle to create engaging content and build an audience if you lack genuine interest or knowledge in the niche. Instead, focus on niches that align with your passions or expertise to create authentic and compelling content. 2. Promoting too many products. Another common pitfall is promoting too many products simultaneously. While it might seem like a good strategy to maximize earning potential, spreading yourself too thin can dilute your marketing efforts and confuse your audience. Instead, focus on a few high-quality products or services that resonate with your audience and provide genuine value. 3. Neglecting product research. Insufficient research about the products or services you promote can lead to promoting low-quality or irrelevant products, damaging your credibility and trust with your audience. Take the time to thoroughly research and test products before promoting them, ensuring they align with your audience's needs and expectations. 4. Ignoring SEO best practices. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to your affiliate content. Ignoring SEO best practices such as keyword research, optimizing meta tags, and creating high-quality content can result in lower visibility and reduce traffic to your affiliate links. Invest time in learning and implementing SEO strategies to improve your content's search engine rankings. 5. Overlooking disclosure and compliance. Failure to disclose your affiliate relationships or comply with relevant regulations and guidelines can lead to legal issues and damage your reputation as an affiliate marketer. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships transparently and adhere to FTC guidelines or other applicable regulations in your region to maintain trust and credibility with your audience. 6. Ignoring analytics and tracking. Effective affiliate marketing requires tracking and analyzing key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. Ignoring analytics and tracking tools prevents you from understanding what strategies are working and where improvements are needed. Regularly monitor and analyze your performance data to optimize your campaigns and maximize your earnings. 7. Lack of diversification. Relying solely on one affiliate program or source of traffic can be risky, as changes in algorithms or program policies can significantly impact your earnings overnight. Diversify your affiliate partnerships and traffic sources to reduce dependency on any single platform or program. This could involve working with multiple affiliate networks, leveraging social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach your audience. 8. Misleading or inauthentic promotion. Misleading or inauthentic promotion tactics, such as exaggerated claims or deceptive marketing, can damage your reputation and erode trust with your audience. Focus on providing honest and transparent reviews and recommendations, highlighting both the benefits and limitations of the products or services you promote. Building trust with your audience is key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. 9. Neglecting continuous learning. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic and evolving field, with new strategies, tools, and trends emerging regularly. Neglecting to stay updated and continuously learn about industry developments can lead to stagnation and missed opportunities. Invest in ongoing learning, attend relevant webinars, workshops, and courses, and stay connected with industry forums and communities to stay ahead in affiliate marketing. 10. Impatience and lack of persistence. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and persistence. Many affiliate marketers give up too soon, expecting quick results and instant success. It's important to set realistic goals, stay consistent with your efforts, and be patient as you build your audience, establish credibility, and grow your affiliate income over time. In conclusion, avoiding these common affiliate marketing mistakes can significantly improve your chances of success and profitability in the competitive affiliate marketing landscape. By focusing on niche relevance, product quality, ethical promotion, continuous learning, and patience, you can build a sustainable and lucrative affiliate marketing business. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in a practical way, I recommend that you visit the link in the description where you will find this complete training.